In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can write Behat tests, JavaScript Behat tests, and see what's going on when they are performed. Within OpenWide repository, we have tests.md in our documentation folder, and there we have section Visual Debugging. So there are a few steps that you should go through in order to configure everything, and then you will be able to see and debug your JavaScript tests. So the first step, we need to install a real YMCA viewer on our local machine. This is an application that will allow you to connect to external systems in order to see what's going on their desktop. There are various versions for Linux, Windows, macOS. Just download version for your operation system and install. After that, launch this application, and you will see the input where you can enter IP address of your server. So that's it for first step. Second step, you should run Selenium using following command within background box within installation profile folder. So as you may see, right now I'm inside of my installation profile folder. So I run sh run test sh text run Selenium. This will run our Docker container for Selenium. That's it for the second step. Third step, we should open the YMCA viewer and connect to the following IP address. This will ask us to confirm that we're going to connect to an encrypted connection. Just click continue, and then we'll ask for a password. So here we are using standard password, that is secret. After that, failed password. Right, let me just type in secret. And after that, we will see the desktop of our background and Docker container in there. That's it for the third step. And fourth step, we can run our JavaScript tests. Let's imagine that as example, we are working on some tests for the membership calculator, and for some reason this test is failed. So let me add failed tag to that specific scenario in order to debug it. And let me run my Behat tests with this tag. Bin Behat dash tags equal failed. So with this command we run only this specific test, and we will see it on this screen. So let me make it in this way. We will see the console output, and also we will see the screen with Behat test actually. And we see here is our Chrome browser within our virtual environment. Then we perform a few tests there. We log in as administrator, we perform some tests, and oops, something has failed. So, and if we take a look at our log output, we see that the issue comes from scenario with tag failed. Okay, then we can just go to that specific scenario and add kind of breakpoint here. We can add here breakpoint and say, and I wait 30 seconds in order to be able to see what's going on the screen. Let's run it once again. So when we run this specific scenario, we go through the background, and then we get to this step here, and you will see browser within this VNC viewer for 30 seconds. And you can understand what's going on and why exactly your test has been failed. Okay, so we are waiting, and we expect to see the element here, but for some reason our page is empty. So this is a good starting point to start your debugging, and now you have a tool how you can visually see what's going on in your tests. Thank you very much.